Evernote is one of the most well-known note-taking and productivity apps, with millions of users worldwide. If you're new to Evernote or thinking of switching, this review will give you a comprehensive look at its features. From the moment you sign up for Evernote, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. You can start creating notebooks and adding notes right away. Evernote's strength lies in its ability to sync across all devices, so you can access your notes from anywhere, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. One of the first things I noticed is how easy it is to create notes. You can add text, images, voice memos, and even web clippings. This makes Evernote a versatile tool for capturing all types of information. You can also tag your notes, making it easier to find them later. The search function is excellent, and even if you don't remember exactly where you saved something, Evernote can help you locate it using keywords or tags. The organizational features are another standout aspect. You can create different notebooks for specific projects, topics, or categories. Within each notebook, your notes are neatly arranged and can be further organized into stacks. Evernote allows you to color code and sort your notes in a way that makes sense for you. Plus, the web clipping tool is a game changer if you frequently research online and want to save articles or websites for later reference. Evernote also integrates with other popular apps, including Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. This makes it easier to collaborate with others and keep everything connected in one place. You can share notes, collaborate on documents, and even assign tasks to team members, making Evernote a great tool for both personal use and team productivity. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video if you want to explore further. Evernote offers several pricing plans, including a free version with basic features and premium options with advanced tools, like offline access and expanded storage. The free version is quite functional, but if you're looking for more customization and advanced features, you might want to consider one of the paid plans. The premium options unlock a lot more functionality, especially for those who use Evernote for work or more serious personal projects. Overall, Evernote is an excellent tool for staying organized, managing notes, and increasing productivity. The app is feature-rich and user-friendly, but the decision to use it will depend on your needs. If you need advanced functionality, the paid plans are worth considering. But if you're just looking for a reliable and simple note-taking app, the free version does the job well. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on productivity apps and tools.